Google Ads offers 3 core ad types: search, display, and video. Search ads target users actively seeking information. Display ads reach audiences through visual content across websites, and video ads engage viewers on platforms like YouTube. Each format requires tailored strategies to optimize reach and return on investment, forming the backbone of effective digital marketing campaigns. Google Ads encompasses search, display, and video ads, each tailored to distinct marketing goals. Search ads target high-intent users actively seeking solutions. Display ads engage audiences through visually appealing banners across websites. Video ads captivate viewers on platforms like YouTube. Each format requires unique strategies to optimize reach and return on investment. Search ads are text-based ads appearing on Google search results when users search for specific keywords. Advertisers bid on these keywords, ensuring ads show when potential customers express intent. This precision marketing captures high-intent customers actively seeking solutions, making search ads highly effective in digital advertising. Search ads offer highly targeted advertising, displaying ads only when users search for relevant keywords. This ensures your message reaches interested individuals, minimizing wasted ad spend. The cost-effective pay-per-click model means you pay only for clicks, maximizing return on investment. Flexible, responsive formats use machine learning to optimize ad performance, enhancing engagement and effectiveness. Search ads occupy premium positions on Google's search results page, ensuring maximum visibility. Top-of-page placements capture the attention of high-intent searchers, driving more clicks and engagement. This strategic positioning enhances the effectiveness of your advertising efforts, connecting your business with potential customers at the moment they are most likely to convert. Display ads are visually engaging advertisements, including images, banners, and animations, shown across Google's display network. They excel at building brand awareness, reaching audiences not actively searching but matching your target profile. With flexible formats, they adapt to various devices, ensuring consistent branding or responsive adjustments for optimal visibility. Display ads extend your reach beyond search, engaging users on their favorite websites, applications, and videos. They leverage visual storytelling with compelling imagery and animations, creating emotional connections. Sophisticated targeting allows you to reach audiences by interests, demographics, or behaviors. Exemplified by a fitness brand's banner advertisement on health blogs and applications, capturing health-conscious consumers. Display ads, despite a lower click-through rate of 0.5 to 1% compared to search ads 3 to 5%, offer substantial long-term brand benefits. They enhance brand recall, consideration, and conversions through repeated exposure and visual impact, proving their value beyond immediate clicks. Video ads are dynamic, motion-based ads on YouTube and Google's network. Skippable in-stream ads allow storytelling, while non-skippable ads ensure full message delivery. Bumper ads offer concise brand messages in 6 seconds. Masthead ads provide premium visibility on YouTube's homepage, ideal for major campaigns. Video ads offer multi-sensory engagement, using motion, sound, and emotion to captivate audiences. They reach users during video consumption, enhancing message retention. With format flexibility, advertisers can tailor ads to campaign goals and budgets. For instance, a tech startup effectively uses a 30-second demo video before tech tutorials to target the right audience. Skippable in-stream ads require a strong hook in the first 5 seconds to capture attention and convey the core message. This format empowers viewers with choice, enhancing engagement while ensuring advertisers focus on concise, impactful storytelling. Crafting a compelling start is crucial to maximize viewer retention and drive desired actions before the skip option appears. Begin by selecting your campaign goal, such as website traffic or sales, to guide optimization. Choose Search for text ads on Google search results. Research and add relevant keywords with match types for precision. Write compelling ad copy with multiple headlines and descriptions. Set your budget, choose a bidding strategy, and launch your campaign. Create visual assets by uploading diverse images or using Google's responsive display ads. Define your audience with targeting parameters like interests and demographics. Choose placements on the Google Display Network or specific sites. Monitor performance, test visuals and messaging, refine targeting, and optimize for better results. Search ads capture high-intent customers, driving immediate actions like purchases or sign-ups. Display ads build brand awareness, reaching broad audiences with visual storytelling. Video ads excel in emotional storytelling and product demonstrations, creating deep engagement. Strategic marketers combine these ad types to maximize reach, build awareness, and capture conversions as customers approach purchase decisions. Start by selecting an ad type that aligns with your business goals and resources. Master it before expanding. Utilize Google's artificial intelligence tools, like Smart Bidding, to enhance campaign performance. Consistently track metrics, learn from insights, and optimize for the best return on investment. Begin your journey in online advertising today.